I paid for a date. I paid for a date for us. You paid for a date without asking me my permission. I got you a first date gift. I said, well, okay. Oh, Moose book heart. Oh my God, so cool. That right there. It's beautiful. I love it. Awesome. I have 3 of your cars. What do you mean I have 3 of my cars? Every time I try to go on a date or something, the other person goes crazy. I feel like now I'm thinking that you're the one making the people that I date crazy. This is the same gold on your car. I took it off. Oh my God! Number one thing of being couples is sharing the cars. So can I have my car keys back? Fine. This is iron. That was the keys. I melted them down. You melted the only keys I have to get into my cars. Nope, don't even try it. No. Okay, I'm flying away. All right. Welcome to the Daycare. Oh, Psycho. What? Wait, Psycho. Hey.
Is that Moose? Moose.
What the heck you doing here?
I'm running.
What happened to your legs? What happened to your legs, bro?
What do you mean? I'm the Thickosaurus Rex. Sorry, that aside. Moose. Help! I don't know. Oh wow! Really? The fuck? You haven't seen me.
Smack out of it! Smack out of it! You are not a Thickosaurus Rex. Come here, Psycho. Oh man!
Big for now.
I already had one friend think he was a Thickosaurus Rex. Okay. All right. Anyway, Psycho, where you been, man? It's been like 2 weeks, dude.
I don't know. You remember my crazy girlfriend that tried to eat you?
Are you real?
Yes, I'm real. I'm real. No. Okay, Moose. Remember the crazy girlfriend of mine that tried to eat you?
Carly.
Yeah, so she trapped me in the toilet, and I had to dig my way out with a spoon.
You got trapped in a toilet?
It's not one of my proudest moments.
I thought you guys fixed your issue, you know?
No, I just
remember if you give her flowers, then she becomes normal. It's like giving like a person a Snickers bar. You know what I'm talking about?
There aren't
or like
any
giving me like moose
in
milk.
a toilet to give her.
Oh,
it's
you
a
can
toilet.
make your own flower.
What does that even mean?
I don't know. Okay, so anyway, Cyclone, are you going back to the daycare or what are you doing, man?
Dude, I guess I'm back. As long as we don't have to see.
Yay! Cyclone's back! Awesome! And no one cares. I'm just kidding.
Wow.
No, I'm just kidding,
No,
bro.
okay.
What? You heard that? You heard that, bro? That's crickets. That's crickets everywhere. Okay, anyways, let's see what's going on in the daycare. Awesome! Hello? Jeff!
Sorry,
you gotta stop that. You gotta.
No, my tail!
Oh, it worked.
Now. I have a tail.
Hold on, Scale. Let me take care of this. Snap! Normal. Oh, and he's gone. Awesome. So anyway, Scala, how you doing? How you doing over here? Hold on. Hey, don't scare her, okay? Look at this. Look at what? What are you talking about? Wait, he's back? Yeah, Jeff, I have a gift. What's Brick Boss? My name is Brick Boss. Oh, and there goes Cyclone. I flew in Brick Boss. How did you escape? Whoa, it's a family reunion. We got Skylar, Brick Boss, Cyclone, Jeff the Moose, Thick Boy in the house, and with some big pieces of food. Oh, you know, my bro. Oh, so Skylar is legit Brick Boss's brother.
Wait. Brother?
Yeah. Wait, no, I'm sorry. Sister, my bad. Wait, I thought you were probably stuck in the toilet. You can tell.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. So they're actually, Brick Boss is the brother of Skylar. Is that the correct way to say it, I guess?
I hope that's
She's a boy. No.
Wow,
Oh my God. Dang it, man.
We got going. Dude, we got some good character development going.
Right?
Hey, wait, Jeff, you knew I was stuck in the toilet this whole time?
Don't you see the looks? I see the resemblance a little bit.
Yeah. You knew I was stuck in the toilet this whole time?
Wait, Jeff. Wait. You know? Did you help Carly? Did you help Carly?
No,
is that what happened? So Carly trapped you in a toilet and you were helping Carly out, weren't you?
Look, I can't be here. I have an arrow.
He got the looks
to too much for me.
Okay, so let me get this straight. So, Brick Boss flew in, Cyclone's unstuck from the toilet. I kind of paid Carly using Brick Boss's fund. What? Oh my God. Yet he still can't pay for a spell check. Awesome. So anyways. Chill. It's like Fortnite. You're building a wall. Aw, this guy's a nub. Awesome. So anyways, I didn't get a skill. Of course you didn't.
Wait.
So let me tell you something, Cyclone. So Skylar over here is a brand new student, and I'm pretty sure you remember Musina. I'm not sure when Musina actually has gone at all. We're kind of like
you mean Musina, aka your girlfriend? Yeah, I remember her.
AKA our girlfriend and stuff. And pretty much, let me just say, so Skylar is a singer. She's super rich, and yeah, her.
Sing for me, go.
They don't like each other at all.
Sing for me.
Musina is on my yacht. Wait, what? She's on your yacht.
Singing. I give you applause.
Moose, you like your toilet, right? Of course I like my toilet. What about it? What's wrong with it?
I like toilets. Wait. No, I don't anymore. No.
I could buy you. Oh, she went there. She's a little bit of a side. Just do not,
you can't buy me. I
do not
bad.
get her mad. Trust me. You do not want to get Skylar mad. She is a little bit crazy.
I mean, this is cool.
Wait. Oh, what is this stuff over here? This. That's Moose's car.
Cool and all, but I have this. So.
Cyclone, let me come talk to you for a little bit.
Yeah,
you got the young woman, baby.
What's going on, dude? What's going on?
You can just give her money away.
I'll build a silent wall of we're talking. Go away. Wait.
All right, come over here. Come here, Cyclone. Come here.
Okay.
So ignore the background noise of my dog running around in circles hitting the wall, by the way, chasing your tail.
Okay.
But as I was saying, so let me tell you what's going on. Skylar is a famous singer. She's super rich, all right? And she really likes me, and I'm dating her. Now, I was forcefully...
I thought you were dating Musina.
I broke up with her, and...
Death!
Okay, thanks for the privacy. As I was saying, so, yeah, we're dating because she stole my cars. And she melted them down into this. But that was before I knew that she did that. She told me that... So, Jeff... This dude over here sold my cars for 3 cents. That's right, 3 pennies.
You're dating Musina. I'm so confused.
I broke up with Musina. I was never dating her, first of all. She was the one that said we were dating, but we were never dating. And then she got into a WWE fight with Skylar. There's a little bit of a flashback. And things went crazy. And I haven't seen her since then. And plus, then Jeff over here sold my cars to Skylar as leverage for $100.
Oh,
that's right. And guess what? Guess what? Musina, I mean, not Musina, I'm sorry. Skylar melted my cars down and turned them into money. So now I don't have any cars and I'm sad.
Wait, you can do this though. Look at me, I'm driving in your car, Moose. Come here.
But you ain't bro! You ain't right now! Get over here! Get over here! I'm gonna show you who's boss! That's right! I got a good deal. Jeff, you have no idea what you're talking about. Okay, so anyways, dude, it's good to have everybody back here. It's awesome, man. You know, Daycare's been crazy. Brick Boss, how was the yacht? Wait, Brick Boss, aren't you 45? I'm only 15. Well, I mean, think about it this way, though. Like my friend Ariel, he's like 10 and he's got facial hair, you know?
Yeah,
hey, what are you doing? Ow, chill! Ow!
Dude, Ariel is really, really, really hairy. Like
yeah,
I don't know who has more hair.
I mean, look at Shark though. He's like a hairless seal. You know what I mean? Like,
he is.
He's like Canada.
So I guess it
don't talk about my friends like that, Jeff. You have no friends. Except me! Jeff, best friends! He funds my daycare on the side. Bro, the only thing he can fund is gas for his car. Roasted! Okay, Lucy just tipped over my backdrop again because Lucy is crazy. Awesome. So anyways.
That's your car, Moose. You don't have to worry about fuel anymore.
Yeah, of course, man. And that's for Brick Boss's funds. Awesome. Well, so anyways, now that we're back today, now that we're back in the daycare and it's a family reunion, what do you guys want to do?
Hey, Skylar, follow me. Yeah, nothing. Don't worry about it. Follow me.
What are you guys doing? Hey, where are you guys going?
Nothing.
Hey, you're never up to any good, bro. There's a reason you haven't been in the daycare.
Hey, okay.
What are you
Let's melt down Moose's phone and sell it. Hi, Moose. Privacy wall. Let's melt down Moose's phone and sell it. Okay. Yeah, I feel like that was it.
She already got rid of my cars.
Hey, dude,
can I check now I'm stuck dating her because
your phone to
she took my cars, and I have some hope that I'll get them back.
No,
you love me. No!
That wasn't me.
What happened?
You guys know that was Jeff the Moose.
I am so sick of this. Okay, first things first, I gotta say something, all right? I gotta say something. I am sick of all of you guys. You know that? Are you kidding me? Doing the hard Carly again? Hold on. Listen here. First things first, Skylar, I don't like you. Straight up. Just saying, because you took my cars, destroyed them, and I'm super mad. Brick Boss, you're the man. All right. My name is Brick Boss. Nobody likes her. My man. All right. And Jeff, I don't even know how to describe you. Jeff, you confuse me. I feel like your IQ is...
to say about me?
I feel like you haven't... I don't know. I love you, Jeff, but at the same time, I hate you because you're mean. Yep, exactly. All right, you get this crazy ego, Jeff. And then, Cyclone, you just cause problems on a daily basis, and sometimes I can't stand you. I'll be completely honest with you. Moose, here, now. Oh, okay. Being forced to do all this stuff, and I don't want to do this anymore. Can you not? You listen here, okay? What are you talking about, Carly?
Bruce, I have an idea.
You love me. Okay, I love you. Carly, oh, my bad. I mean, Skylar. I was just kidding. It was a prank. It was a prank.
Press the button, run.
Hey, now, leave me alone. I don't want to be part of any of you guys. I want to go make some new friends because I don't need you guys. You guys are always never supporting me. You guys are always down to me. I'm out of here.
I will support you, bro.
Wait,
I'll
really?
support you.
Wait,
I'm here for you, dude.
Jeff, I'm sick of you, dude. I am sick of you, Jeff.
And I'm gone.
LOL! Awesome. Okay, awesome. So, Psycho can support your headaches. That is so true. All Psycho does is cause headaches usually, man.
Oh!
Oh, we love him.
Okay, well,
that's Cyclone. He's random.
Yeah, bye.
It's okay, Cyclone. Where are you guys going? Yeah. Hey, hold on. Cyclone. What are you doing?
She's not allowed to escape.
I lied to you. Lied to me about what? Wait, what'd you lie to me about? Hold on. What's going on?
Wait, what?
What you lie about? Your isn't gone.
Isn't gone.
Does that make any sense at all? Can anyone translate this real quick?
I'm so confused.
Yeah.
I'm so confused.
What? Doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
Your car! Wait, what? Hold on. Over there. Hold on. Give me just a second. Let me turn off this auto jump. My cars are not gone. I lied again. What is going on anymore? I'm not sure anymore. What are you talking about, Skylar? It's in here. There's nothing there anymore. It's I don't see anything at all. It just happened.
I feel like your car's gone forever now because it's just been blown up.
And you're going back to jail.
Good.
Bye, Cyclone! My sister's crazy! I already know, big boy. My name is Big Prince. I want some big fish. I want some much milk and some food and some diamonds with a band. With band? What? Huh? Okay, now it's gone. Skylar, listen. I think we gotta break up. Look, Moose. What's up? What's wrong? No! Oh, fine. Oh, wow, we have a wild cyclone over here. Oh, crikey. Look over there. It's a wild French cyclone. Look at him as he tries to attempt to eat a baguette. Grab his wall and run.
Help! I'm stuck.
What's wrong with him? Cyclone, I will let you out. No, Jeff, do not let him out. We need to keep him in there. Okay, I don't want to hear him. He gives me headaches. But say,
I'm doing it.
zebra baguettes.
I'll be free. Oh.
You have to say baguette. You have to say that you love baguette.
I'm not saying. Oh, that works. Hey.
Skylar!
Hey.
What are you doing? You're ruining it. Skylar! Savage. Oh, and she's gone. That was fun. Awesome.
No.
Rick Boss, do you like your sister? Huh? I feel like some siblings just don't get along. I don't get along either with people sometimes. Like, I don't get along with Cyclone. Just kidding. I love Cyclone. But I don't get along with Jeff because Jeff always tries to, like, be all savage and stuff. Hey, Savage Jeff. So we love it. I'm Big Bane. Help. You have... You can just enjoy it. There you go. Big Boss, drop! I got you. Ow!
Jeff, that was on you, dude. Jeff, why would you do that? That was really
all you have done
bro.
Is come back to daycare and blew the whole place up.
No, that doesn't sound like me in the slightest, Moose. Come on, bro. It's not what I stand for, you know.
You are
just,
such a
it's not what I stand for. I'm just a good guy.
Just pull yourself up.
What
when
do
we
you
were
mean?
kids, she abandoned me at the sea. Wait. Hold on. So, let me get this straight. And I fixed the problem. So, when we were kids, she abandoned me at sea. So, Brick Boss, is that why you don't like your sister, dude? You know what? I don't need this. I found a new way of life. What are you talking about? You took my cars, destroyed it, and then tried to force me into a relationship. It's pretty crazy. You're laughing. No, I'm not interested at all. We are not boyfriend and girlfriend. And she ate my last cookie. Yo, never. And I may never, ever eat a man's last cookie. But I have to force my hand. What? Oh, I'm just going to slowly walk away now. Okay. All right, Big Boss. I'll see you later, big boy. Because I want some breakfast in my house. Big Boss, stop your sister. I'm out of here. My my name is MooseCraft. Thank you so much for watching. No! And I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Another day of Daycare. And my name was Brick Moose. Big